Hello everyone! My name is Marcello, and I am a teacher at Ueda School in Nagano. I hope you are all well. It's important to stay active and positive. You can enjoy many English movies at home and use your free time to learn new English words. Recently, I'm having fun learning to make Japanese food. I get to learn new Japanese food vocabulary and can eat a delicious meal at the end. I recommend learning new words while making interesting recipes. I made ginger pork. It was fun and delicious. What do you like cooking? Let's talk about your favorite recipes together. I hope to see you soon. Bye!